What's up, y'all? I'm back at Statesboro Power Sports. Oh, it's raining. Let me put the hood on. It's been a while since I've been back here. So yeah, I'm back for the video. Started off, we got two of these bad boys. I ain't getting one right now, but oh my God, I love it. It's like one of the best things I've ever looked at in my life. The 2022 Polaris highlifter. I'd obviously get some bigger tires and change the wheels. When I get mine, I'm getting the 2-inch bracket lift, shocks tightened all the way, and then I'm getting the red. On the 1000, there's a red grill guard. It's like a metal grill guard. I'm getting it put on mine, and that's how it'll be stock. And I'm probably gonna put 32.5. Per 32.5 outlaw 2s just like this. Probably 32.5 by 9s. Or whatever the skinniest ones I can get like that, or maybe 34 by 9s and on a 14-inch wheel on mine, because I want to go bigger than a 30. But oh my Lord, these things these are 30 by 9 by 14s. I know that these aren't the 29.5s. I'm pretty sure one of the only ways you can get 30s. I might be able to order them online now, I don't know. Gas tanks right here. The snorkel setup, I love it, and I love how simple it is. The snorkels are just right here, so if you get risers, all you gotta do is get this right here off, somewhere in here, and then the risers will come up right here. That's what I do, because I'm definitely getting risers for it. The radiator fans are in here. In the rear, look at all the ground clearance on it stock. They sound mean too. In a minute I might start one, but they have two of them. I think they just got sold, which kind of sucks. Then right here, they have a C-Force CF motor. I bet you it sounds good. It looks like it does. It's nice for CF Moto, and it like probably has a really good price. Then HD10. Yep, grade C10. I love the colorway on these. Defender Limited. This is the Limited. Has the air conditioning and all. 2-seater. The reverse butter. What is it called? Suicide doors. Look, there's your air conditioner. Look how nice the interiors are on here. I'd kill for one of these. I ain't even gonna lie. I always wanted to have one. That's like my dream buggy. A silver HC10 Limited. Oh. What's this? HC10, just no front grille, green. Standard single cab. Down here they got a camo one. Alright, this is how I can tell. This is HC10. It comes with those. This is HD8 or HD9. Because see how it comes with different tires. Single cab. And I think the seats are... No, it might have the same seats. Yep, HD9. I knew it. Well, y'all, I think we're going to move to the inventory inside because it's raining like crazy. If y'all want to be like me, y'all can get this. It's a 2022. Only difference is this don't stick up on it like it does mine. This is flat. It don't have the hump right here. But this is literally the same model. 2-wheel drive. No screen. They have it in red, too, so you can be like me. They're pretty. This one even comes with that. Then they have a 2022 red 4-wheel drive. I personally love this. I would beat the crap out of that. 570. They moved this inside. Dude, I might, instead of 33/18 Aztecs, I might try these 33 by 20-inch front lines. They're real light and they ride good. I definitely might have to go with those instead. I don't know though. I really like Aztecs, but those look mean. XM310s, 30s, these things are the best riding wood tire you can get. Them Aztecs are front lines, but they're aggressive. They're mean. I like them. Then trail tires. The big dirt bikes. Oh, they have a 125. I would whip that. I kind of want a 125. 50s, more 85s, RM Suzuki's. Lawnmowers. Get your dad to come get one. Oh, what's going on over here? The mud tires. 33 by 20-inch. 33 by 9 by 20-inch. PKTs. Those are mean. What are these? 33 by 9 by 20. Their front lines, those look mean too. Ooh, that would look so good the way I do it. And more BKTs. No Moto Habits right now, y'all. Outlander Camo 850, that thing's mean. Then a 450, the same one. This 1000 right here, oh my Lord. Look at it. HC10, all black, single cab, this thing's mean. If I got one, I'd want this in silver, single cab and limited, but it's nice. motorcycles. Mud lights right here. These are 27s. This is the wide set. They come with wides. I think these are 27s. They look like it, yeah. And these are all skinnies on the same wheel. That looks really good. King Quad 400. This thing don't look bad. I like it. Real good for, but if you're on a budget, I'd recommend this. I've heard good about the Suzuki's. Real good about them. I've heard they're reliable. It's even got four-wheel drive. It's nice. Ooh. I know Suzuki makes a good dirt bike though. That's for sure. This scrambler out here for work. Look at the Assassinators. These things are mean. They always catch me by surprise every time I see them. I like the wheel, but look at it. It's mean. Then down here, this is a good bit of mean stuff right here too. All for work. Another high lifter. Look at the XM310s on this thing. This thing is huge. Little Recon. And then right here, that XMR 570. And this silver HD8. That's pretty. And a 420 right there. If you're following this in the video and you see this, you're welcome for the shout out.